The Department of Nursing at Morehead State University has a long history of graduating exceptional nurses, and this semester is no different. I'm particularly proud of 3 remarkable students who have excelled not only in the classroom, but in the community and in the lives that they have touched while they've been in the program.
I came to Morehead State for the opportunities, not only within the nursing program, but within the university. Morehead is rated the highest in the state of Kentucky. It's very renowned. The education you get at Morehead State is next level. You're able to practice in the lab prior to even going out into the clinical settings to get that one-on-one patient care. You feel prepared prior to entering those clinical settings. So you have that confidence as a nursing student, which is very hard to find at many other colleges. As a nursing student, you'll see from other colleges that you are the most confident and the most assured as a nursing student. Being selected for the commencement speaker has been an honor and a privilege. Standing up there in front of my graduating class and being able to represent not only the nursing program but the ROTC program as well was such a blessing to have. Being a first-generation college graduate has been an honor. Walking across that stage and having that relief of all those hours that you worked throughout the college experience through the Morehead State program has paid off. I was able to commission as a second lieutenant into the Army Nurse Corps in the Reserves component. It has been a privilege to serve my country. I've had a lot of role models and mentors along the way. ROTC makes sure that there are people there to support you as you become a second lieutenant. I feel completely prepared to enter into the Nurse Corps, especially with my experience within the nursing program, building that with ROTC. I've had mentorship through both, so I feel prepared to enter the workforce.
Growing up in Morehead, I really wanted the opportunity to go somewhere and be a successful nurse, but little did I know that the best place to do that was right in my backyard. Being able to work one-on-one with patients and build those friendships and relationships with my peers and establish that trust with patients. At the age of 2, I went deaf in both ears. And I wore hearing aids for a while, and I got bilateral cochlear implants growing up. But I never wanted to let that stop me from doing what I wanted to do in life. I gained a great relationship with my nurses at Cincinnati Children's, and I knew when I had those relationships with them, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be them. I wanted to be that nurse. And so I did, and I came to Morehead, and I've had challenges for sure. I've had to adapt when it comes to being able to use certain stethoscopes and being able to hear call lights and hear my nurses talking to me and patient breath sounds and heart sounds and all of those things. But I've done it and I'm here and I'm graduated and it's the best place to be. Graduating Morehead State's nursing program and walking across that stage in front of all my friends and family has just been nothing but a great honor. I've had many obstacles and challenges, and being able to just say that I did it is just wonderful. After graduation, I plan to live in Cincinnati and give back to the community that gave so much to me. Going to Cincinnati Children's for the majority of my childhood, I knew that's where I wanted to live, so now I'm going to be working up there in the neuro and orthopedic ICU, and I'm very excited.
I came to Morehead State University's BSN program specifically because of the reputation that this program holds within the state of Kentucky. I've had plenty of hands-on experience throughout the state, also here in our clinical simulation labs. I know that I am one of the most prepared student nurses in the state to go out into the workforce. To me, the greatest thing about this program has been the hands-on experience that I've had here. I've had more than 1,000 hours of direct patient care within the facilities and well over 100 hours practicing here in the clinical simulation labs as well. The confidence that I have now that this program has instilled in me through many clinical hours and many hours in this lab, it has prepared me to go into the workforce and help people to the greatest of my ability and know that I am impacting someone's life every day. My other passion outside of nursing school was that I was extremely active in the university's ROTC program. It has given me many opportunities to lead, not only within the community, but also within our university. After school, my intent is to go into the active duty force and serve as a nurse in the United States Army as a commissioned officer.
I'm so proud of this year's graduating class. They represent the best of what this department has to offer.